In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add image alt tag in Wix. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will make the change directly on the page where the image appears. Once your site is loaded, take a moment to find the specific image you want to update. Alt text is important because it helps search engines understand what the image shows, and it also improves accessibility for people using screen readers. That means adding clear descriptive text here is a simple but valuable improvement for your website. When you have found the image, click on it once. This will select the image and bring up the floating menu with several options related to that element. You want to make sure the image itself is selected, not the section, strip, or container around it. If needed, click again carefully until the image options appear. Next, in the floating menu, click the settings icon. This is the small gear symbol. Selecting it will open the image settings panel, where Wix gives you more detailed options for that image. This is the area where you can update important information connected to the image beyond just its appearance. Inside the settings panel, look for the field labeled "What is in the image?" Tell Google. In some versions of Wix, the wording may be slightly different, but it will still be the alt text field. This is the place where you tell Wix and search engines what the image is about. The best alt text is specific and concise. Describe the image clearly using natural language, and focus on what someone should understand if they cannot see the image. Once you find that field, type in your descriptive alt text. Keep it relevant to the image and the page content. Avoid stuffing it with extra keywords. Instead, aim for a short, accurate description that matches what is actually shown. This helps with both accessibility and search visibility. After you enter the alt text, you do not need to press a separate save button inside the image settings. Simply close the settings panel, and Wix will automatically save your changes. That means your updated alt tag will now be attached to the image. That covers everything you need to know.